Hello AT Nation, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So today we're gonna be doing another episode of baking with the AT Nation. So today we're making scones, right? Who doesn't love scones? And we are making the ultra milk vanilla scones. Yeah. What we're gonna use is 8 cups of self-raising wheat flour. I always use snowflake. So 8 cups. I'm just gonna weigh that. 8 cups of it. Now I'm gonna move that out of the way. Take another clean bowl, and then I have 1 cup of brown granulated sugar. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of that in the clean bowl, and then 500 grams of Rama margarine, or just any fat butter that you have. So now on the lowest heat, I'm gonna cream our butter with our brown sugar. Doesn't have to be completely cream, but somewhat there. So now the sugar is mixed into my butter, and it's sort of like a paste. Sorry guys, the lighting is horrible. It's like a paste there. So now I'm gonna add to this a tablespoon of vanilla essence. This here is half a tablespoon, so I'm gonna add 2 of those. My hand is shaking. And then into the butter, I added that. And then 3 large eggs. I have some mass, it's important mass, and then yeah, I'm gonna add the cup of mass in here. So this is really thick mass, so a cup of that mass there. I'm gonna add it in, and then my ultra milk custard. I'm gonna add 3 of the ultra milk custard cups. 3 cups of the ultra milk custard. Ooh guys, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. So ooh. 1. And then then 3. Then we have 3 cups, 3 gorgeous cups of ultra milk custard, and then we're gonna go in low into the flour. I'm gonna add bicarbonate of soda. Ooh. And I'm gonna add 3 of 1/8 of bicarbonate of soda. 3 small thingies, that's 1/8. And then I'm just gonna mix it in. And then I'm gonna open a well so that I can add in my butter. I made a lot of butter in here. So the butter now goes into the well. There's like a well. Goes into the well of the flour. I'm gonna add half of it, and then I'm gonna fold in the flour. Okay, I'm just folding in my flour. Now the flour is a butter like that. So now we're gonna start molding it. Gorgeous. Now I'm gonna start molding it and putting it on my tray. What? So I am back. And I just got like a scooping spoon like that, and then I'm gonna scoop some of the butter onto a tray. I already did the first one, which I want to remove. I'm gonna just take that and then put it onto the baking tray. So here I just have some milk that I'm just gonna use a brush to brush over my butter while flattening it at the same time so they can be golden on top. While you are doing this, you can preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and then you can bake at 200 to 220 until golden brown. Or for about 20 to 30 minutes. which is a lot. So my first tray is here. Focus, 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 focus. And then I'm gonna put it in. Guys, look at the first batch. It's rising, like super rising. And those are the second ones that I cut with a cutter. And those ones mold by hands. Yeah, so let's give them time. So the first batch of scones is out and they look so nice. They look yummy. So how yummy do those look? I'm gonna come back and give you a taste test and then you're done. AT Nation, I am done. Now I'm gonna taste one of these scones. So I'm just gonna break it, although you can't see me break it. And it's well done. In my head. They're really nice, baby. Really good. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Yo guys, don't comment on my hair. And I love you very much. Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.